alphabet train, rolling fast and bright, learning our letters, what a sight. A to Z, come sing with me, let's learn together joyfully. Here comes A. A is for apple, shiny and red. Next is B. B is for balloon, flying overhead, rolling in. C. C is for cat, cuddly and sweet. Now it's D. D is for drum with a catchy beat. E's on board. E. E is for elephant, big and gray. Here comes F. F is for fish who loves to play. Now see G. G. G is for gift wrapped bright and new. Then H. H is for hat, a big one too. Alphabet train going down the track. Sing each letter, don't look back. Every sound we clap and say, we're learning more each day. Here comes I. I is for ice cream, cool and sweet. Look, it's J. J is for jump, up on your feet. Now it's K. K is for kite, high in the sky. Next is L. L is for lion with a mighty cry. M rolls by. M. M is for moon shining bright. Now it's N. N is for nest, cozy at night. Coming up O. O is for octopus waving hello, hello. P. P is for penguin dancing in snow. Alphabet train rolling along, each little letter has a song. Hands up high, let's clap again. Sing hooray for the alphabet train. Next is Q. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. Here comes R. R is for rainbow, up and down. Now it's S. S is for sun, shining so bright. C. T. T is for turtle, slow but right. U's on board. U. U is for umbrella, red and blue. Look. V. V is for violin, softly too. W arrives. W. W is for whale singing below. Here's X. X is for sonophone, play it slow. I's next stop. Y. Y is for yo-yo, spinning around. Last is Z. Z is for zebra, stripes all around. Alphabet train, hooray, hooray. We learned our letters all the way. A to Z, now we can say we love to learn and sing each day. Choo, choo, the train's at the end, but ABCs are our best friend. Wave goodbye, don't refrain. See you again on the alphabet train.